Ever been excited to watch your favorite YouTube video only to find it's not working? Whether it's buffering endlessly, crashing, or not loading at all, it's incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, you're not alone, and we've got quick solutions that will help you fix YouTube on your phone in no time. Let's face it, YouTube is one of the most used platforms in the world. With over 2.5 billion users logging in every month, it's where we go for entertainment, learning, and staying updated. So, when it suddenly stops working, it can disrupt your entire experience. Before we jump into the fixes, let's talk about why YouTube might not be working. The most common reason: poor or unstable internet connection. Without a strong connection, videos won't load properly, and you'll see endless buffering or error messages. Next, app glitches. Yes, apps can misbehave too. Temporary bugs or memory overloads can cause the YouTube app to freeze, lag, or even crash completely. And if you're using an outdated version of the app, that could also lead to compatibility issues with your phone's operating system. Speaking of operating systems, an outdated OS can interfere with how apps function, causing issues even if the app itself is updated. Another rare but possible reason is YouTube's server downtime. Sometimes it's not you, it's YouTube. When their servers go down, the app becomes temporarily unavailable. Now that we've covered the reasons, let's dive into quick fixes. The first thing you should always check is your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is with one of them. If you're on Wi-Fi, try restarting your router. If your internet is fine, try restarting your phone. A simple reboot can clear out temporary glitches and give your phone a fresh start. Sometimes that's all it takes to get YouTube working again. Another effective solution is clearing the YouTube app's cache and data. On Android, you can do this by going to Settings, selecting Apps, finding YouTube, and then clearing cache and data. For iOS users, uninstalling and reinstalling the app achieves the same result. Updating the app is another crucial step. If you haven't updated YouTube in a while, chances are you're using an older version that might have bugs. Head to the Google Play Store or App Store and check for updates. If updating doesn't solve the problem, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app completely. This can remove any corrupted files that might be causing issues. Now, if none of these solutions work, check your device's software. Make sure you're running the latest version of your phone's operating system. An outdated OS can cause compatibility problems with many apps, including YouTube. Low storage is another common issue people overlook. If your phone is running low on space, it can slow down and cause apps to malfunction. Try freeing up some space by deleting unused apps, photos, or files. One more thing to consider: are you using a VPN? Sometimes VPNs or proxy services interfere with YouTube's ability to load content properly. If you're using one, try disabling it temporarily and see if that fixes the problem. If none of these fixes work, it's worth checking if YouTube's servers are down. Use websites like Down Detector to see if other users are reporting the same issue. As a temporary solution, you can also try accessing YouTube through a browser like Chrome or Safari. It's not ideal, but it works if the app isn't cooperating. Now let's move on to advanced fixes. If you're still facing issues, try resetting your network settings. This can help resolve persistent connectivity problems. But keep in mind that it will erase all your saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth connections. And as a last resort, you can consider a factory reset. This should only be done if nothing else works. And remember to back up your data before proceeding, because a factory reset will erase everything on your phone. Alright, now that we've covered the fixes, let's talk about how you can prevent these issues in the future. First, always keep your apps updated. Regular updates ensure that you're using the latest version with all the necessary bug fixes and improvements. Clearing your cache periodically can also help prevent performance issues. But don't overdo it. You don't want to lose your save preferences and data unnecessarily. Maintaining enough free storage on your phone is another important preventive measure. When your phone is low on storage, it can slow down significantly, causing apps like YouTube to crash or freeze. If you use VPNs, make sure you choose a reliable one that doesn't interfere with app performance. Unreliable VPN services can cause more harm than good when it comes to streaming apps. Lastly, keep your phone's operating system updated. This ensures that your device remains compatible with the latest app versions and reduces the risk of glitches. If none of these solutions work and you're still facing issues, contact support. You can visit the YouTube Help Center for troubleshooting guides or contact your phone's manufacturer support team if you suspect the issue lies with your device. To sum it up, YouTube not working on your phone can be incredibly annoying, but most issues can be resolved quickly with the right steps. Whether it's checking your internet connection, clearing the app cache, or updating your phone's software, these solutions should help you get back to watching your favorite videos in no time. Remember, prevention is key. Keep your apps and phone updated, maintain enough storage, and clear your cache periodically to avoid future issues. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more tech tips,